We're at North Etiwanda Preserve today, and we're gonna hike over here into the clouds.
A puppy.
And there's a puppy here. Oh, there it is.
It's Father's Day.
It's also Father's Day. And we're already up pretty high. We're gonna get up even higher. And hey Jude,
Yeah.
rumor has it there's a waterfall in there.
Yeah.
You wanna find the waterfall, Kenny? Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, we are up on the mountain and look at the view over there. Very pretty.
You know what city that is?
Ranch Cucamonga.
Should we go up more?
Yes.
Let's go. Going up.
Yeah.
How's everybody doing?
Good. It's us alone.
We're all alone.
All alone in the dark.
How are you doing, Daddy? Where'd you go?
Huffing and puffing.
Yeah, the air's pretty thin, right?
Yep.
Look at the view though.
Love some legal blood doping. It's great. It'll feel great when we get to the bottom.
Hopefully we're close to the waterfall. But it's pretty up here. We found the waterfall. We can hear it. We're so close to it.
Alright, now it's slow.
We found it. Isn't it pretty? It's all the way down. Now can we just climb down?
There's some fishies too.
There's fishes down there?
There's some fishies.
Yeah.
They're going so fast.
Come here, kids. There's a big waterfall over there, but look, over here's a tiny one. Yeah, we just saw the big one.
Waterfalls back there. And baby waterfall.
Here's the baby one.
This is the end to the waterfall. That thing is cold. Hi.
Daddy's got the sandwiches.
I do.
Another
Sandwich for me.
hot dog.
A sandwich for. Oh,
Oh.
gee. Kenny, come get your
Kenny,
sandwich.
Get a sandwich.
Look, it says CNC. You know what that means? Chris and Casey. That's Mom and Daddy. Is that Mommy and Daddy? Yeah, that's right. We didn't do that, but it was meant for us.
That's right.
You ready for your sandwich?
For Daddy.
And applesauce? And chips? So it took us 1.7 miles, or 77 miles to get up here. It took us an hour and 2 minutes to walk that with the kids, which is pretty crazy. There's a few other
It'll
people
take
up
us
here. It'll take us like 30 minutes to walk down. Yeah, but it's so neat up here. Was it worth the walk, Kenny? Yeah. What about you, Jude?
I am a Cub Scout, and I want to leave this place better than it started. I'm going to pick up some trash.
a nice thing to do, Jude. High five.
Woo.
Stable surface.
Best thing to do on a hike.
Woo, that was close. Cold? This is the way we wash our hands. Wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands in the waterfall. Alright, you guys. We made it to the waterfall at North Etiwanda Preserve. Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs down. Not participating? Thumbs up.
Thumbs up!
Think we'll come again, right?
Yeah.
Alright, bye.